In this video, I will be showing you how to pay and get the paid plan in ElevenLabs. So let's get started. First thing, just come to the ElevenLabs homepage and make sure that you are signed in. To the left, we'll be having upgrade. Select that. And here you will be having all their plans. If you want to change the currency, you can change it from the one that is being displayed to US dollars. So this is the monthly pricing that they're having. If you want to see the other ones, you can see this way also. And the free one, the starter one, creator, and the pro one. And here all the features of each and everything will be displayed. So you can just choose based upon that. And apart from that, we are having the yearly plan, and it says save for 2 months. So if you just select it, this is the yearly plan, so billed annually. So it's basically up to you if you want to go with the monthly plan alone or the yearly plan. So once you're done selecting, just click on upgrade over the plan. So it says subscribe to yearly plan, 2 months free. I'm fine with the monthly plan now, so I'll just click on continue monthly. So here you can either pay with your card or any other mode of payment that you're having. So if you select card, you need to enter all your card details over here. So once you're done paying, we'll be getting an interface like this. I would recommend you to set up the two-factor authentication, okay? As you can see, it clearly says I'm on the starter plan and I have the 30,000 credits that got added based on this plan. So that's basically it, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.